getting we're not detecting your phone orientation on your Pokémon Go? A lot of users of Pokémon gamers keep facing these issues. You only have this we're not detecting your phone orientation when you have something wrong. To fix this problem, follow only 3 effective solutions. Solution 1. Enable important access for your AR camera. Open setting, scroll down, tap privacy protection, tap selves all permission, tap camera, find out Pokémon Go, tap allows only while using the app. Solution 2. Remove the software glitch. Open setting, scroll down, tap app, tap manage app. Now find out the Pokémon Go app. Enable the auto start option. Also, enable app permission. Now allow all the necessary permission for your Fortnite app. Go back here, tap battery saver, select no restrictions, tap clear data, tap clear all data, tap OK. Solution 3. Check for the update. Open the Google Play Store, type Pokémon Go. Now check for the update. After following all these 3 important processes, your VR camera should work for your Pokémon Go. Now if you still have a problem, comment down below. Thanks for watching.